Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check credits on the Hayday application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my farm. I have house, chickens, bakeries and others, and you can add different options. New, if you want to check your credits, click to the three line at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the third button, the settings. Here you can find the first option in the second line, the credits. Click that and you can check your you can check the credits and different information about the application and the software. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.